Hi friends, this is Karthik. In this video I will show you how to integrate or add Facebook banner ad in your Android application. So I have installed Genymotion for you to show the demonstration of the running app, and I have created in Android Studio. I have opened a blank project, empty project, just to having a main activity and an activity main. Okay, so I have run it already here. So in this the banner ad has not added yet. Okay, now I will show you the procedure. First, go to the business.facebook.com. You will reach to this page. Select this one and select monetization manager. You will see your property here. In the last video, for the people who are watching this video without watching my last video, that is about setting up the Facebook audience network. You please watch the video before continuing here to know how to create a property, how to create placements and ad spaces, etc. Okay. So just open the sample Android here and go to placements. Here we have two placements. Okay, one is a native ad and one is a banner ad. So this video is about the banner ad. We will go with this. Click on manage placement. You can just copy ID here. Okay, by selecting this one. Go to Android Studio. Go to res values and strings. Create a string with name, banner, and paste your ID here. Okay. For the documentation, you can see here the get code. Click on this drop down and select this one. Facebook has explained in detail about the creating this one. Okay, but they have missed it in this post about how to add the SDK. Okay, in this page you just right click on this Android and click on open link in new tab. Inside that you can see here they are showed how to do everything. Okay, so what we have to do is just copy these dependencies, okay, into your build.gradle module app. Okay, inside the dependencies, just click on sync now, then wait for the Android Studio to build the project successfully. Okay, I got an error here because I missed a single quote here, because we have to close the code. While copying, I missed the code. You can see here I have to go, I'm supposed to copy up to here. Okay, and this you can see an error here because we are targeting SDK version 28, but we are calling the recycler as 25.3.1. so we have to change this to 28.0.0. Okay, you can see the project has been built successfully. We will change this to 28.0.0. Okay, then sync again. It is not mandatory, you can ignore these errors here. Okay, the project has been successfully built. Now go to activity main. Okay, we will change this to relative layout. Okay, after this we'll go back to the documentation here, and you can see first they are asking to add the linear layout here. This one, copy it and paste in your XML file wherever you want to show it. Okay, make sure this align parent bottom is true. Okay, don't remove this line. You can make it bottom or you can make it top, it is your wish. Okay, but the banner ad must be in the bottom or top of the activity. I am sticking with the bottom now. Okay, if you are using any recycler view above the linear layout, about this banner ad, what you have to do is you have to add one line here, that is layout above id banner container, so that the recycler view will not overlap this one or it will not go back beside this ad. It will always on the top of the ad. Okay, now it is not necessary. Okay, next thing is add a variable for ad view in your main activity. Okay, just import it by clicking alt enter. If you see red text like this. Okay, next thing is just copy these lines and paste inside your main activity, or you can create a new method. Okay, public void load banner. Inside this you keep this one, you just import all the red text here. Okay, and here you have to paste your ad id. You can directly paste the ad id here, or you can do like this, get resources dot get string or dot string dot banner. Okay, so like this we can do. Okay, then we have to call this banner inside your on create method of your activity. Now we will run this code and see. Android Studio is installing. Okay, it successfully launched the app and you can see the banner ad here. Okay, but in some cases you don't see while you are testing the app, because the Facebook ID should be attached with the test IDs. Okay, sometimes it will happen. And one more thing is, you make sure your virtual device or Android phone, or wherever you are testing, make sure the Facebook app is installed and it is logged in with a Facebook account. Otherwise Facebook ads will not be shown inside the Android app. Okay, you can see the banner ad here. So if in case you don't see the banner ad here, what have to do, you just go to the Google and search for Facebook audience network test ads. You can see the third result here, testing Facebook audience network. Click on it. Just scroll down. You can see here the first one. You just copy this one. This is enough for everything. It will show all types of ads. And go to strings, and just before your ad ID, paste it along with a pound or hash symbol. But remember one thing, while publishing to the Play Store, you should remove this thing, okay? Otherwise it will serve only test ads and you don't get any income, okay? So this is how we can add a banner ad in your Android application, that is Facebook Audience Network banner ad. For source code of this application, you just install my app Easy Codes. The link is available under description of this video, and you can get all the source codes of my videos from this app from now. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik signing off.